In this lecture, we are going to explore adaptive compression. Now guys, the way the dictionaries are created, whether you use adaptive or classic compression, remains the same. That means even if you create a new table with adaptive compression, the dictionary will not be created. You need to go on and insert more and more records into the table till the point the ADC threshold level is reached. And there is where the dictionary will be created. Or you can follow the manual creation of dictionary that you can do by writing the reorg statement with reset dictionary clause on the table that is enabled for adaptive compression. So the dictionary creation processes remains the same whether you use static or adaptive. In this lecture, I'm going to create a table and let's say I create this table EMP3 like EMP1, and I don't specify any compression type here in the statement because I will be altering this table later on, and then we'll see how we can enable compression by altering a table. Okay, and then I'm going to insert into EMP3 select star from EMP1. Now both these tables have the same number of records. I can query that too. Select count star from EMP1 will give me 86,016 records, and select star from EMP3 gives me the same number of records. Now EMP1 is already enabled for classic row compression. EMP3 doesn't have any compression enabled. The structure of both these tables is same, the number of columns is same, the number of rows are same. Okay, and if I go back to my script over here, let me just change this to EMP3. Okay, and let me execute this statement now. So EMP3 does not have any compression enabled, so row comp mode is blank, while you can see that the other statistics are estimated over here for EMP3. The PCT pages saved current is 0 because we don't have any compression enabled on the table, while you can always find the estimates over here. So if you go for static compression, this will be 78%, you'll be saving 78%. If you go for adaptive compression, you'll be saving 84%. Okay, and let me just go back and change it back to 2, and let us query it for the table that is already created with compression enabled. So right now we are saving 45% on the table with the adaptive compression. Okay, so we need to first enable this table EMP3 for a compression type, and we can do that by writing this alter table statement. So I'll say alter table EMP3 compress yes adaptive, or you can just write compress yes, enter. Now this table is enabled for compression, the table EMP3. Okay, so we will query the statistics for this table now. Since it is enabled for compression, it has been altered. So here we can see that now the table is enabled for row compression, and the type of row compression we are using is adaptive. It will calculate the estimates. The PCT saved PCT pages saved current is still 0, although the table has 86,000 records, but the table dictionary has to be created after these records, and the total size is this, and it's 7 MB in size. So in adaptive compression, the first step is to create a table level dictionary, and with the help of which we'll compress the data rows on the page. And the second step will be automatically done because page level dictionaries are automatically created in adaptive compression. So first we need to make sure that the table level dictionary is created for this table. There are two ways. Either we go on inserting more and more records to reach to ADC threshold level, or we can write the other statement that would immediately reset everything for us. So I say DB2 reorg table EMP3 reset dictionary. Now as soon as I hit enter, now this will reorg the table, and the existing rows will be all of those rows that are there right now, the 86,000 rows would be compressed, So there would be a table level dictionary that is created automatically when you hit this statement, and then this will trigger the page level dictionary creation that will follow, because this is an adaptive row compression. If I query this again, I should see some more statistics that are updated. So right now we are saving 84% of pages with adaptive compression on this table. So you see the difference between static and adaptive compression. And one of the difference you can clearly make out from here, the table size that was before the compression was 7 MB and right now it's 1 MB. So the compression factors can be from 50% to 80%. And when you're working with huge tables, then you'll find major differences between a compressed and a non-compressed table. So that's all about adaptive compression, guys. Thank you.